Morning, welcome to Koh Tao. Today I'm just going to do a little walking tour around the place. It's really, really nice. But first, let's get my laundry done. How much is it for laundry? 40. Nice. It's pretty cheap. Literally resorted to wearing these pants because I've got no other clothes needed to wash for so long. My clothes, I mean. That's the bed right there. Cool, just put it in here, yeah? There's literally everything in this bag is going in. Look how filthy these are. Look at those skid stains. Do it again, just the way you did it. Nice. Got one more bag to go, and that's bag 2. Pay tomorrow, please. Around $8. That's brilliant, it's so cheap. Oh, looks like the Coke's arriving. We're gonna have a little drive around and see what's around. Staying in a hostel, not much money, it's only about £8, $10 a night. We do the job. Best part is there's no one in my room. Well, in the daytime. Let's go. So Koh Tao is famous for its cheap diving. You can do free diving, you can do normal diving. So we just got to go find the old shag wagon. Not that one. Here she is. Did you miss me? Shh. Oh, it fits like a key. What a beast. Only costs $200 a day. It's about $5. So we've only got 20 baht. Should be able to get a coffee with that. That's 75 cents. Good old 7-Eleven never goes wrong. God, I need to wake up. I feel so tired. Slept for like 14 hours. Oh, they don't have it here. Such a shame. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it with 20 bucks. 45. Gonna have to have a salted milk or something instead. If you've ever traveled to Thailand, you'll know what this is. If you don't know what this is, put a comment in to say that you don't know what this is. And I'll do a video about this stuff, because this stuff is the cheapest alcoholic drink you can buy and get completely destroyed on for not much money. We have to try another one. I'm giving myself a challenge of 20 baht. Here he is. Ooh, hello. Yes. You tell that tree off. Oh, his mate's arrived. Oh, it's his turn as well. This tree's loving it. Hello. Ooh. Get him. This is the first one I've seen on the island since I've been here. It's just off the side of the road, but wow, is it pretty at night. All the lights light up. Tried to get a video last night, but couldn't. Jalab looks a bit fussy, doesn't he? He's not sure whether he wants it or not. All right, let's move on. So gonna head towards the pier, then walk all the way up basically the busiest part, Koh Tao, which if you look at the map, you look on the look on Google Maps, you'll notice that there's one big strip, and that seems to be the most busy place. That's the name of this place, this temple. Here we go. Being welcomed by the Koh Tao specialist.
That's it. What,
3 days in the dive shop. That's the
let me
one.
write my little number.
So it's 9,000 baht.
11,000.
11,000 baht, which is 275 pounds.
Oh.
$400 maybe? $337.
What dollars?
There you go. Get that in there. So to do 2 days, it's actually 3 days, 2.5 days. Scuba diving, getting your PADI course, which will save you money in the future, is £275 or $376. Supposedly, this is the cheapest place in Thailand to do it, and it's got wicked reefs. So I'm going to book in tomorrow. I looked at the Philippines, and it's about the same price, but something to do while you're here, right? And it seems to be everyone's doing that while they're here. There's so many dive shops offering the same thing. This place is known for it, so I've either been sold the dream here, or it's going to be amazing. He also said there's a shipwreck towards the end, around about 18 meters. Food's finished, and the sun is out. Time to go check that viewpoint out, I think. Are you guys ready? Because I've had a coffee. How much is this going to cost? 250. 4 things. Nice. Tuna salad, coffee, yogurt. Here we go. Wow, that's cheap. It's only about £4, $5. Let's go check out the viewpoint. I think we're going to be going all the way up there. It's high, but the photos look amazing. To be honest, I got no idea where I'm going, but I'm just going to find the signs. Woo! Oh my God, there it is. There's an island nearby where it's 2 islands separated by a tiny little bit of sand. See it there? How amazing is that? We just got to get higher up to see it. Looking at the map, that island is called Nang Yuan Island. Nang Yuan Island! I'm just walking up to a viewpoint now because the other one's closed. Butterflies everywhere around here. Look. Should be called Butterfly Valley. Anyway, a bit about me. If you're following it, I actually do something called intermittent fasting, which means I don't eat any food until 2 o'clock every day. And it saves money, but it also helps your body recover. So if you do that, leave us a comment, because I'd love to know if anyone else does it. Oh, it's getting a bit sketchy now. If you've got this far, I'd love a like of this video though. Make me so happy. Wow. Here we go. There it is, Nang Yuan Island. Need to get on a boat and go check that place out. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Almost as sexy as all my ex-girlfriends. Wow, bit of a drop though, isn't it? Well, we've seen it. I think this is a pretty good tour of the island so far. Almost been stung and seen some butterflies, but hey, we're still alive. Wonder what's down here. Should we have a little look? This is how all horror movies start. Wonder what's down here. Let's have a look. Let's follow the sound. Oh, it looks like a dead end, to be honest. To be honest, it looks like nothing. Back to the Shagmobile. God, if only it was sunnier earlier. It's so pretty when the sun's out. I think we should go check the beach out one last time from the other end of the beach. And I'm gonna make you subscribe. But again, guys, if there's anything you want to see, just leave me a comment. There's no way that I can do this stuff unless you let me know what you want to see. Look at the butterflies. Boy, it's steep! Come on! Decided to take a quick tour to Mango Viewpoint Foot. It looks pretty good, and we can go to the beach after. It's going to be a rocky ride though. Looks like we're going to have to walk from here, but it says it's the highest one, so I've committed to walking. Oh, it should be a nice walk though. You know what? No, I've changed my mind. I'm going back. Let's just drive up it. It says it's 2 kilometers. That's a long walk. Let's do this. Looks like I'm not the only one. These roads are really rough though. Really rough. Look at this rock. Looks like we're here. Cool. So you got to buy a drink here, which is good because we need a water anyway. Water, please.
30 baht, not free will.
I've got the water. These guys. Now we walk. Wow, it's crazy to believe that some people actually live in these sorts of houses. So different to the western side of this world. Almost there. Hey, how you doing? Whoa. Whoa. Jeez. Wow, that's a viewpoint and a half. Cheeky little water break. It's impressive. Apparently the sunset's over there, so there's another place called Sunset Viewpoints, and it's just around the corner from here. You could probably see both from the same place. Same, so if we go that way, there's a higher viewpoint.
Oh, high summit. Summit high.
High one.
Summit.
Is it better?
Summit.
Summit. Ah, cool. All right, mate, thank you. All right, let's go check the other one out then. The summit. Okay, so we just got to the High Rock Sunset Viewpoint. I can't read. See you later, geese. Looking after me. Wow. So beautiful when the sun comes out. These guys are brave. Hello. Hello. What's your name? Hey? Oh, you friendly, so friendly. Where we going? Oh no. We're going down there. We're going down there, mate. God, I haven't got the right shoes on for this. What do you think? All right, we've come this far. We're doing it for you guys. Woo! He's not coming. It's just us. Ooh, this is looking well worth it. Whoa, look at that. These guys want 50 baht just to go on the platform. But,
You can go, come here.
so I'm not allowed to be here. So that was entertaining. So they wouldn't even let me go to the front of it without paying 50 baht just to go onto the platform. They actually got a bit angry with me. I don't even know why, but I'll be honest, you can still see the viewpoint from there. You don't even get a drink, you don't get anything, you just have to pay 50 baht, it's a scam. So I'd avoid this one, High Summit it's called. The other one looked better anyway, to be honest, and it's a little bit higher, but there's too many trees anyway in the way. Plus you have to pay more and you don't get a drink. Makes sense why this one literally is quite empty, no one's really here. but the other one was really busy. To be honest, I would have paid, but I actually don't have any money on me. It's in the scooter. Because I'm doing washing today, I've only got these really bad trousers from my lounge pants, so they can't really hold anything, so... Oh well, we've seen it. Let's go down to the beach and check that out and call this quits. Subscribe, guys, please. No one's paying for it. Everyone's skipping this one. Apparently there's one even more north. The matey boy said he didn't pay either. But let's go to the beach. They're all pretty much the same. It's just a little bit higher. All right, we're almost at the beach. We're just going through the main road. So this is one of the main roads. Down here is like a proper party. This bar here seems to kick off, and that one was called Studio 22. There's a few other bars down here which get a bit crazy. Apple Bar right here. It seems to be like a place where everyone goes. Oh. Wow, how much nicer is it when the sun's out? It's like this place comes alive. And there it is. So cool how they do this stuff with the trees. Don't really know why, but... Wow, the difference of this place when the sun's out. It's much nicer. Woo! Place is good. Guys, hope you liked the video and I'll see you in the next one.